my bougies and my boozettes, this is Jameson Royce coming with you guys of a video of how to do a straight seam without a serger. This is just a technique that I taught myself to, if I don't have a serger, I can still at least get rid of those raw edges. So as you guys see, I have both of my samples, and this is the right side of the samples, and on the back, as I flip it over, this is the wrong side. So basically, when it comes to sewing like anything like for a dress, shirt, blouse, pants, you want to make sure that you basically have both right sides together of the fabric. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to bring in both sides together of the right side, and basically you're going to pin it on the wrong side to basically put that straight seam in. Now in this, I'm demonstrating if you are right or left-handed sewers. What you're going to do is basically you're just going to have the pins line up to the dominant hand that you're dominated with. If you are right-handed, you basically have your pins with the right head of it facing out to your right hand, and you use your right hand as you're sewing the fabric to pull it with your right hand. And if you are left-handed, you basically have the pins heads facing your left hand, and you basically just go ahead and just pull them out with your left hand. So go ahead and go to your sewing machine and go ahead and put down that straight stitch. Once you have your straight stitch in, then you're going to go ahead and press it, as you guys see. And as you guys see me pointing it with my thumb, as you guys can see, what you're going to do is once you press it open, then you're going to go ahead and press it again. Fold those raw edges in a quarter. Once you basically fold the raw edges in the corner, you're going to go ahead and basically make sure that there's a quarter even. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to your sewing machine and basically stitch exactly on top of that seam. Go ahead and pin it, and basically make sure you put the pins whatever the dominant hand you have, and go ahead and pin it. Once you go ahead and put that top stitch on the garment or shirt or this little sample that I'm doing, you're basically going to have like a very clean seam in the front, and as I flip it around, you're going to have two seams. Once you go ahead and turn it around, you will see that I got two seams. The first seam is the first seam that I did of sewing it with the right sides together, and basically the one on top of it is a seam to go ahead and close those edges. This is a great technique to use to basically give you a clean finish for any project garment you're doing. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe for more sewing tutorial videos.